Hello everyone, a very warm good morning and welcome to the class. It's a great pleasure to see you all present and ready for today's class. Today I'm going to begin a very interesting topic entitled recipe. This chapter is very important not only for the examination but also for your daily life, but also for your practical life. Okay? At the end of this lesson, you will learn how to prepare a recipe in a proper and organized way. So, I request you all to pay close attention and feel free to ask any questions if you have any confusion. Okay? Now, let me begin. Okay? What is recipe? Okay? The question is, what is recipe? Look at this picture. Okay? Look at this picture. This picture clarifies itself. What is recipe? Look at this picture. She is cooking dishes. Okay? She is cooking meat curry. It means what? A method of cooking dishes, including ingredients. Okay? A recipe is a set of clear instructions that tells you how to prepare and cook a particular dish, including ingredients. Okay, you can see this is a clear view, this is a clear picture of recipe. Okay, is that clear? Okay then, now let's continue forward. The big question is, how do you write recipe? Okay, the question is, how do you write recipe in the examination? Definitely, the answer is, you have to keep some words in your brain, in your mind. You have to memorize some words related to the recipe, as I have mentioned here. Look at this. Not only this, but also you have to keep some phrases in your mind related to the recipe. Okay? Look at this picture. Look at this. These are very important words related to the recipe, which help the student to write a recipe in a clear, okay, in a proper and organized way. Okay, these are very important words, okay, which help the student to write recipe in clear, in proper and organized way. Okay, look at this. These are very useful words which help you to write perfect recipes. Okay, cut means what? To divide into pieces with a knife. Here, chop means to cut into small pieces. Slice means to cut into thin pieces. Dice means to cut into small cubes. Peel means to remove the outer skin. Mix means to combine together. Stir means to move around with a spoon. Fry means to cook in hot oil. Boil means to cook in very hot water. Bake means to cook in an oven. Roast means to cook within dry heat fire. Okay, similarly, grill means to cook over direct heat. Add means to put something in. Pour means to make liquid flow. Heat means to make hot. Cook means to prepare food by heating. Simmer means to cook gently on low heat. Yes, season means to add salt or spices. Garnish means to decorate food. Serve means to give food to someone. Okay, these are very words meaning. Sorry, these are very useful words meanings which are used to write a proper recipe. Okay. So I recommend you all to keep these all word meanings in your brain, in your mind. Okay? Now, let's move forward. These are some useful phrases that I have recently told you that to write a recipe in a proper or organized way, you must keep these all phrases in your mind. You must memorize these all phrases. Okay, first of all, then after that, meanwhile, in a bowl, in a pan, okay, over medium heat until golden brown, 14 minutes. Okay, finally, these are very useful phrases related to the recipe. You must keep these all phrases in your brain, in your mind. It means what? You must memorize these all phrases. Okay, as I have applied, okay, these all here. Okay, delicious meat curry recipe means what? I have written a recipe of meat curry. Okay, and I have applied those all word meanings and phrases in it. Let's see how I applied it. Okay, to write a proper recipe, first of all, you have to mention or write ingredients. What do you mean by ingredients? These are the materials to cook food, dishes, okay? Like you can see chili powder, garam masala, salt, okay? Onions, tomatoes, well, meat, okay? These are the ingredients. Okay, first of all, you have to mention, first of all, you have to write the ingredients. Like I have mentioned here 500 gram meat, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons ginger, garlic paste, salt to taste, spices like turmeric, chili powder, garam masala. Well, okay, these are the ingredients to cook meat curry. Okay, look at this example method. Okay, first of all, as I have told you, okay, first of all, you have to memorize some phrases and word meanings. Look at this. First of all, look at this. First of all, okay, first of all, wash the meat properly. Okay, then look at this. Then peel and chop the onions and tomatoes. Okay, you have to memorize these words. Okay, peel and chop. In a pan, heat some oil over medium heat. Okay, medium heat. In a pan, fridge. Add chopped onion and fry until golden brown. After that, this is a phrase. After that, add ginger garlic paste and stir well. Very important word. Stir well. Okay. Now add tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Okay. Then add turmeric, chili powder and salt. Mix everything well. Add the meat and stir properly. Okay. Cook the meat for 10 minutes. After that, look at this. This is a phrase. After that, pour some water and let it boil. Okay? Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the meat becomes soft. Okay? Meanwhile, this is phrase meanwhile stir occasionally. Okay, finally, this is a phrase, finally season with garam masala and garnish with fresh coriander. Okay, finally serve hot with rice or roti. Okay, in this way you can write a recipe in a proper and organized way. Okay, thank you very much.